Before Christmas was introduced to Africa through colonization and missionary activity, Africans already had their own festivals and celebrations that were tied to nature, spirituality, and community life. These celebrations often happened around the same time as Christmas, December period, because many African societies marked the solstice season, the longest night, shortest day, with rituals of renewal, harvest, and honoring ancestors. Here are some examples. Pre-Christian African celebrations before Christmas, winter solstice festivals. Many African communities recognized the turning of the sun around December 21st, 22. In Kemet, ancient Egypt, the birth of Horus, the falcon-headed god, was celebrated around this time. It symbolized the rebirth of the sun after the longest night of the year. This festival had feasting, prayers, and honoring of divine birth, very similar in symbolism to later Christmas traditions. Harvest and year-end festivals. West African societies often celebrated the end of the harvest with big feasts, music, and dance. These were moments to give thanks to the ancestors and gods for providing food, and to prepare spiritually for the new year. Yoruba, Nigeria. Ifa Orisha festivals. Some year-end rituals honored Shango, god of thunder, Ogun, god of iron war, or Obatala, god of purity and wisdom, with drumming, dance, and offerings. December was often a time for cleansing, renewal, and reconnecting with the divine. Zulu, Southern Africa. Umkosi Wakweshwama, First Fruits Festival. This festival happened around December, when the first crops were harvested. People offered the first fruits to their king and the ancestors to ensure blessings for the coming year. Akan, Ghana, Akwasidai Festival. Although celebrated every 6 weeks according to the Akan calendar, one of the biggest Akwasidai usually fell in December. It was a day to honor ancestors, pour libation, and renew bonds with family and community. My fellow Africans, wake up from the brainwashed and learn your history.
If something stirred in your spirit today, don't just scroll. Follow Son of Africa and walk with us on this journey back to ourselves. Because reclaiming our identity isn't a trend, it's a revolution. One truth, one people, one Africa. And you are part of it.